Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn intro, capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers on your time. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now we draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. So now we draw J and use blue color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, and N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose. So now you draw S and use yellow color. S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wall, X for telephone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Now we draw numbers and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now we draw 6 and use black color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.